In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily see your data usage on a Samsung device. Keeping track of your data usage is essential to avoid any unexpected charges or running out of data before the end of the month. Fortunately, Samsung makes it simple and convenient to monitor your data consumption. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the Settings page, tap Connections. After that, tap Data Usage. Now you can see your mobile data usage and Wi-Fi data usage. If you want to see more detailed information on data usage, you can tap on either one of these options. For example, I can tap Mobile Data Usage, and it will show you all this information, like what apps are consuming the most amount of data. You can tap over here and change the time period. For example, this is my mobile data usage from last month. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.